Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video is really special to me because I have just recreated my favorite model's outfits. Yes, you heard it right. Today I'm going to show you how I recreated her outfits, and that is no other than DANA SLOSAR. Last year, I was able to exchange comments with her on social media, on Instagram, same thing on YouTube, and up to now, I am super happy about it. And that's also the reason why I decided to make her as my inspiration in this video. And to Dana, I am not really sure if you get to see this video, but just in case, I want you to know that I love you so much and I'll be your forever fan. Also, I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate you personally for winning Asia's Next Top Model. I know it's been years, but it's never too late to greet you, right? Congratulations! And to my viewers, to my subscribers, thank you so much for staying. Let's get started with the upcycling of my old clothes to recreate Dana's outfits.
I have this white long sleeves that has the same material with Dana is wearing in the photo. The fabric I have isn't enough to make the whole outfit, so I'll just be making the ruched top. First step is to mark it following the pattern. Next, cut. Then join the front and back temporarily using the push pins. Next, saw it. I'm doing 2 stitches here. First is the back stitch and then the other one is zigzag to secure its raw hem. Next part to backstitch is the bottom area. Fold it first to keep its raw hem. Then proceed to the neck area to backstitch. For its ruching, I want to go in further detail since I already made some ruche tops before in my vlogs. I'll just include the links in the description box if you're interested to see it. For the next outfit, I'm gonna use this old workout bottoms plus this denim top. I'm just cutting this area to make the biker shorts, which has been a trend for some years now. Next, fold to keep the raw hem. For the remaining fabric, I'm gonna make a one shoulder top with it. So I'm just joining all parts together to create a tube first. And then add its shoulder part. Next, fold the raw hem and then backstitch. So this is how it turned out. Let's go back to the biker shorts since it's needed to be backstitched. To recreate the crop jacket, I'm just cutting this denim top. For the last outfit, I'm gonna make a necktie using the underliner of my skirt. Step 1. Measure 1.5 inches. Draw a letter V on its tip. And then backstitch. That's it, we're done with the sewing. It's time for my most favorite part, which is the try-on. Almost at the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I believe you already know the drill. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, ring the bell if you want to get more updates from us. By the way, if you want to get to know more about Dana, subscribe to her channel and follow her on Instagram because she's more active there. That's all for today. This has been Eliza. See you next time. Goodbye and take care.